There are two things in this world. One is the visible, other is the invisible. It means we cannot see all that there is in this world. Our sense organs have their own limitations. My eyes are there. I can't see everything that is there in this flower. I see the color. I see the shape. But can I see the life element that is there in the flower? The life is there. Life element is there. Therefore it blooms and withers. Can I see it? Can you see it? Though we can't see it, we can't deny it. I can't say that the flower is only color and shape and nothing else. This I can't say. There is something in the flower or flower plant which I can't see, you cannot see, because my eyes have their own limitations. Their own limitations. The eyes cannot see the sound. Ears are needed to perceive the sound. Eyes are incapable of seeing. Eyes are incapable of smelling the fragrance of the flower. The fragrance is invisible to my eyes. It means I can't say that I can see all that is there in the world. Or I cannot say that only that exists which I can see and nothing else. If I don't see, then it does not exist. This claim I cannot make. Means very wonderful is this world, mysterious. If this flower has these two aspects, the visible or perceivable and the imperceivable, what should be about the world? How wonderful the world must be, just to think of it. The world in which we are living has created my body. I am not the creator of the body. I am not the creator of the sense organs. The nature has created the body. The nature has equipped the body with sense organs and put one more wonderful instrument of knowledge, and it is mind. It has put into my body. Just to see the creation of a wonderful creation of a nature. We are wonderful creations. Look into yourself. You can't see your own self even. You cannot see your mind. You can't see your thoughts. No. Because eyes have limitations, ears have limitations, my olfactory sense organ has limitations, my touch organ has limitations. So many limitations are there. Therefore, you can't say that whatever is there in this world, I can see, or it must be perceivable. If